Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video. This is our 1965 Lincoln Continental with suicide doors, black on black, air conditioning. We've got great sound system. There's even a seatbelt in the back for my baby's car seat. The best ride around. We bought this beautiful car just like this, and we enjoy taking it out on cruise nights, just like in Morris, Illinois. Look at this nice jet black paint job. Look at all the chrome shining, sparkling. It's beautiful in the sunshine. The chrome is spotless, not a scratch on it. Just like a mirror, you can see it yourself right in the mirror. It takes about 3 hours to wax this car. Look how long it is. I hope you enjoyed this short video on our Lincoln.
Isn't that cool, dude? Cool.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share this with your friends.